So today I'll be showing you how to install APK files on your Sony Smart TV. Now the easiest way to do this and to install future APK files is to simply go ahead and install this app. So this is called the downloader app. You just need to go to the installer. It's available on Google TV. Just go ahead and install it just like you'd install any app. Now once you install that app, this is the one you're going to be using to install APK files. So you need to go to browser and then search for that APK file you want to install. So for instance, I'll just come here and just delete this and then type in the name of the app I want to install. So this app right here, I know is not available on the Google Play Store for your Google TV, but I can find the APK of this using this browser. So I'll just search here and here we are. Here's the APK for QuickFi. I'm gonna select it and find the download option. So I have two options here. I'm gonna go for this second option without the VPN. So that's going to initiate the download of your APK file. Now, some websites are a bit more problematic than others. For this one, I'll just come here and select the option for, let's say, Android 15. Like I said, it depends on which website you're using. Let's download from here. And once you get the correct download link, it's gonna get downloaded. Now, if it's the first time, it says for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you wanna select settings and allow. Okay, so let's go to the downloader app and enable the downloader app to install files on our Google TV. So let's go back to that app. Let's go to files and find our download. Here it is, select it, and then click on install. It's really that simple. So let's wait for it to get installed. And once it's installed, I can just click on open to open that application on my TV. So that is basically how to download and install APK files on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.